Hey guys, it is Frugalnista. I just got back from the Dollar Tree. Okay, let's get started with what I was hunting for. It's been forever since I've been on the hunt for something in the Dollar Tree, but I'm not gonna lie, I was hunting for these. The little Main Street wall creation peel and stick mirrors. Y'all was looking these up and down trying to find them. I saw you guys haul these a couple of weeks ago maybe, and my Dollar Tree, you know, as usual, got them when they got them. But I picked up the little butterfly variety. I picked up the arrow variety. And I picked up the feather variety, okay? As you can see, we've already been using these in my home. That's how the little feather one looked. They are really, really pretty. When I do, you know, when I watch Dollar Tree videos, I often wonder, what do people do with all this stuff? So I'm gonna show y'all what I did with these. Okay guys, we are upstairs in my youngest daughter's room. We are redoing her room. My daughter's about to be a teenager soon. She wanted to get rid of all of the pink, including the pink stickers that I had on her ceiling. Used to be butterflies. But what I did was, some of the stickers were not designed to be used with wall paint. And when I pulled the stickers down, yeah, especially this one right here, most of the paint came down with it. So here's how I decided to fix it without repainting. Voila! Those Dollar Tree stickers, I used the butterfly and the feathers. Take them off, guys. It has a little protective coating, so the mirror is much more shinier than that. But I think these are really, really cute and well worth the $1, okay? And they also had, I think, a Paris themed one and one with Dream on it, and there was something with hearts, I think. So there are a lot of varieties with these, okay? Another thing I picked up from the Main Street Wall Creations, these little, what's this, like a leopard print? Yeah. Yeah, a little leopard print. It's in a silver. Okay, and we can always use these. You know, I have a house full of girls, so we can decorate with these. And these little wall decals are cool, and they do come off really, really easy. So I picked up 2 of those to possibly use somewhere in my home. And these are a repurchase. I picked up one of these. I already have a picture in it. And then I found more. So the Dollar Tree must be just stocking these and keeping them in stock. It's a mirror frame. And what I really like about these, it is in a silver or like a nickel finish. And it's almost like a hammered finish. So it's really, really pretty. It looks like something that might be a little bit more than $1. Something that you could possibly find like in a, you know, TJ Maxx, Ross, that type of store. So I picked up one in the 8x10. I picked up another 5x7. And this 4x6 one, I had already been using in my daughter's room. She has her little camp picture in it. Okay, so cute. So it looks like Dollar Tree might be getting these and keeping these in stock. They also had this in a copper color, a gold color, and the nickel. Okay, another hunted or coveted item I was trying to find were these cute little keychains. Now, Dollar Tree stocked these like seasons ago, maybe like last year, but they didn't have these cute little colors. This cute little gray one, okay, I just picked that up because I thought it was cute. And I picked up this one in this cool mint color, so cute. This is the one I really, really wanted. Letting y'all in on a secret, Mirabella is redoing her room, and this is one of the colors that she used. We are not using the keychains for keychains. I will show you what we're using for these little cute poofs. Isn't that cute? I thought those were so cute. Again, so it's just like repurposing things from Dollar Tree, and just to give a room a little extra zhuzh. So it's almost mixing something that costs $1 with something that costs a little bit more than $1, and you come up with some really cute stuff. Yeah, this little pen came from Dollar Tree. She's using that in her room also. It has a little poof on top. It matches her room perfectly. Cute little pen. And just in time for football season, y'all know I love getting Dollar Tree's books. This is a Sports Illustrated, the covers. Retail for $23.96, $24 book for $1. And I really enjoyed looking through this. It had all of these historic Sports Illustrated covers, okay? Leon Spinks, look at that. What's the runner's name? I can't think of his name. Oh, Bruce Jenner, look at that. Who is now Caitlyn, yeah, look at that. Bruce Jenner, when he was Bruce. Yeah, but this is so cool. And I like sitting stuff like this out on my coffee table because we are a sports family, and around football season, I kind of like to decorate with books. And it's so fun finding nice coffee table books like this for $1. Yeah, you cannot beat that, guys. Cannot beat it. Now, I literally just came in with my bags. I just share everything with y'all. Go in again with that pretty mint color, cute little composition book that my youngest picked up. She wanted it. It kind of goes with the color, you know, that she likes now. And you can even pair that. Look how cute that is. A cute little look. Okay, pairing that with a little poof on a backpack. So cute. So she picked up that. And I know you can get composition books on sale now because it's, you know, back to school items are out. But for $1, I said, why not? She likes hanging all of these little tchotchkes off of her backpack, and these cute little edible accessories. She has a hamburger. That one was cute. She wanted that one. She has a taco. It's a little plush keychain that can hang from her backpack. And she has a hot dog. So cute. Another back to school item, she wanted this color for her locker. It's like a, what's that color, guys? It's not salmon. Ooh, I'm not trying to blind y'all either. What color is this? Coral, like a coral color, yeah. So this is a magnet mirror that she's gonna put in her locker. She'll be 13 soon, guys, and as you can see, she's color coordinating everything. Okay, that's one bag. And this looks like a bag full of food. Y'all know I share everything with y'all. Well, no, not really, because look in this bag. I also was on a mission to try to find some command strips. Again, we are redoing her room. Instead of putting holes in the walls, I like using these command hooks, okay? And I think I picked up 5 or 6 of those. And this price was about the same as when I went into Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby had a set of 4, I think for $7.99 or something like that. So yeah, picking these up for $1. They're 1 in a pack, and these guys can hold a 2-pound pitcher, which will definitely be, you know, big enough or strong enough for us to use. I knew the second I started this video that noise was gonna happen. Y'all gonna have to excuse it. That's my landscapers outside. They're doing my grass today. But I found these cute little antifungal nails from Smart Girls. They are so cute. Now, my little one, she's not a little one anymore, but my little one likes to use these, and I like her using this because it has the adhesive tab. I don't let her put glue or anything on it. And these are kind of a one-day, one-and-done thing. So she picked up 2 of the animal print. Really, really cute. She picked up 2 of the pink. And she picked up 2 of this blue French manicure, okay? And for $1, you can't beat that. I used to love playing with fake fingernails when I was a little girl. Yeah, it's a 2-way nail. You can use glue or adhesive, and I think they're cute. She tried out a pair yesterday and seems to like them. Sorry for the noise. I needed some batteries. And I needed some erasers. It's summertime, and you know your girl has to stay fresh. Now, the only reason I probably even scored these cute little sequence pillows was because we were there the day they put them out. Okay, I thought I was over the sequence, but y'all, these are so cute for $1. Come on now, you can't beat that. And this can be cute just sitting like in a little side chair, okay? I picked up the gold that turns to white. Isn't that cute? Oh, I could just sit here and do this all day. Wow. I know, right? And for $1, it's not big. It's about the size of my face. Yeah, but you can't beat that for $1. I just thought that was so cute. And I read somewhere that somebody put all her pillows together to make one big one. She sewed them together, so that may be a good project. But I picked up 2 of the white that turns to gold. And I grabbed this one, which is the blue that turns to silver. So cute, right? So cute. Yeah. Yeah, I could do this all day, y'all. What's the word that I see? Satisfying. It's so satisfying when I do that. And more of the wall decals. And Mirabella has already been in this bag. She is into these squishy little things. She collected all of those little squishies. So that was one of her squishies that she had already opened. Okay, y'all know I show everything in my hauls because I haven't even emptied the bag yet. But I needed some bread. I always pick up my bread from Dollar Tree. This Italian dressing, I told y'all this is so good. I had this last night. I'm going to share with you how I use it. Every time I share that I use this on a chicken recipe, you guys ask me about it. So here it is, really quick. I take some frozen chicken breast, a little onion soup mix, the Italian dressing from Dollar Tree. This night I used the zesty kind. They both are good. Spread that over the chicken breast. Follow that with the sprinkle of onion mix. And because I'm from the South, y'all might want to omit this next step, but I never do. Butter. Yes, butter for a little bit of flavor. Not a lot, just a little touch of butter. And then I cover that up. Turn my oven to 350 degrees. Wait an hour, and it is so good served over rice. This was new to my Dollar Tree. It is from McCormick. It is a chicken gravy. And it's a 12 ounce. I'll see how that tastes. And the best by date on this is November 12th, 2018. Another new item that I have never seen before. Now I've seen the ginger snaps in this brand, but these are lemon snaps. This is my first time seeing that. I hope that's gonna be good. I'll let you know if I like that. If so, I will be purchasing some more. Let's taste it now, y'all. I'm hungry anyway. Let me see if I like it. Ooh, they smell real lemony. Kind of like ginger snaps. I bet y'all like these. Let's say. Yes, already. Real lemony. That is going to be good with some tea. Yes, it is. And yep, I'm country. Country as they come. These are 2 for $1. I have rediscovered Vienna sausages. Yeah, I'm country. How do y'all pronounce this? Vienna, like I do. But I picked up 4 of those. These are 2 for $1. Great snack with some crackers and something to drink. Yeah, country girl at heart. Let me know if you like those or not. And it looks like I might have been hungry, which I am, as you can see from all the junk. 2 packs of Twizzlers for my hubby. He likes those. Another pack of little coconut cookies. These are just good to put on the counter. Great with tea. I like these, hot tamales. My little movie treats. I know I cannot be the only somebody who goes into the Dollar Tree before they go into the movie. Why wouldn't we? Spending $1 on this versus $4, yeah. 2 packs of Sour Patch, the watermelon kind. And some gummy bears. We've been having this a lot. This is the Heinz hot sauce ketchup. Love that on my french fries. I actually like doing this also with a meatloaf. Really good. I always pick these up. And another staple in my house is the Columbia thin spaghetti. It is 50% more in a pack. I love getting these, like the flavor it. I'm not sure if this is a Greenbrier brand or not, or a Dollar Tree brand, but they always have it in here. Yeah. Yep. Very, very good and economical. And that's it, guys. A quick little Dollar Tree haul for y'all. I'm going to go fix myself a cup of tea and finish me a couple more of these little lemon snaps. Thanks for watching, guys. They really are good.